What's up, developers and problem solvers? Rod checking in, wanted to bring you guys another video today. And today we're going to talk about the 10 highest types of software development jobs you can get as a software developer. And I'm going to go over these 10 for you guys and really help you take your software development career to the next level, knowing that you have the job and the highest pay and salary you can at that particular job. And I'm going to give you guys some insights and about each of them. But if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Rod, the IT guy. I'm going to help you guys take your career to the next level. And before we jump into the 10 steps, guys, or the 10 programming languages, or not even programming languages, jobs here, guys. The 10 jobs, type of jobs that's going to really take your skills to the next level, guys, you have to understand is, first of all, congratulations, you made the right decision on being a software developer, web developer, any kind of developer, because it really kind of puts you in a position to win. Now you have to pick a niche that's going to really leverage your skills and put you in a position to make the type of money you want. Even though you're a software developer, don't mean that you're going to make the max dollars, guys. You got to understand that this is something that you're going to have to really start to problem solve and put yourself in a position to be that authority in that specific area of software development, guys. So, guys, I got 10 of them here. I can't explain them all, but we'll jump into it. So, the first is a database developer, guys. This is how I got my start as a software developer, being a database developer, guys, writing reports, doing all that stuff that creating functions in a database. Most companies, if not all of them, have data that they want to manage. They got it stored in a database. They want to retrieve it, modify, update it, send it to somebody. They need developers that are going to help set up functions, APIs, all that good stuff to get that data in and out of their system. So database developers, number one, too, guys. Number two, CRM developers, guys. Just say Salesforce, any customer relationship management system. Guys, it's really important that companies maintain these systems, do integration in between them, APIs, all that stuff. This is a primary way to get a lot of money, especially in Salesforce, the cloud-based systems that's going to allow you to leverage APIs more. This is a great way to get started. Number three, guys, BI developers, business intelligence, writing reports, alerting, KPIs. This is a very underutilized niche, guys. A lot of people want to get started in this. They think, hey, it's just writing reports. That's far from the truth, guys. You got to integrate those reports somewhere. You have to develop tools that gonna send the right data at the right time to the right people in the right format. That's a lot of stuff that can go wrong. If you position yourself as an authority, as a BI developer, you can make a lot of money, guys. I talk about this in my 7-step guide, by the way. Links are in the description box. This 7-step guide is going to allow you to pick the right high-paying software development job that's going to allow you to take your career to the next level and really position you so that you can get that interview and eventually get that job that you want. So links are in the description box for that 7-step guide, and it also gives you access to our free DigiLink community to give access to developers. So go ahead and sign up for that, and it's free. So we got past that plug. Number four, front end web developers, guys, UI developers, anything that's dealing with what the end user see when they are accessing your application. This is very important for the look and feel, the experience, how they perceive the data, where they focus on, how they get that information, and how they interact with your program. Front end UI developers, if you have that design kind of skill, this is a great skill for you guys and really kind of put you in a position to win. Number five, mobile developers. Mobile developers have been around for a while, guys, especially since smartphones really matured. I think with HTML5 and a lot of the things moving to the web, it's still kind of, everybody got two different camps when it comes to the native applications that's on the actual mobile and the web. Either way, you're in a good position to leverage mobile development, guys. Smartphones is not going anywhere. This is a great way to get paid a lot of money. A lot of companies want their applications, their system to be accessed from anywhere in a mobile device, and you can really kind of leverage yourself to really kind of be that authority with that specific niche. Back-end development, guys. This is a very vague term. Number 6, back-end development. Back-end developers is what you typically would see from a C# or PHP, Java. Ooh, it's so many. Python that actually moves the data from the front end to the database and vice versa. This is the traffic cop that does a lot of the stuff that you can't see to get that data across, or just does processes in the back end that you can't see, guys. Work with the server side stuff. This is a very good opportunity. There's so many programming languages out there. You got to figure out the one that's gonna help you leverage your skill. Like I was telling guys at first, all of these are really good decisions if you decide to commit to one. It really gonna come down to how effective you solve problems with any of them. The fundamentals are the same across all of them as far as just learning program fundamentals, arrays, variables, all the fundamentals. You have to get past that, and then all the programming languages have their different syntax and different ways of doing the same thing. It's just a matter of actually getting used to that specific application, that specific programming language, guys, that specific platform, and we're really going to help you take things to the next level. Number 7, algorithm developers, guys. These are people, you know how you probably watching this on YouTube, right? And YouTube is presenting videos based off of this criteria that they have, and they create this algorithm that be able to provide the best video to the best person at the right time to keep them on that platform longer. Every company needs that to a certain extent. They may not be doing videos or presenting people with videos, but they may be presenting people with products, services, anything that they need in a house or anything like that. So it's very important. If you know how to do this, you can really leverage this, especially in the data science community and online or web, any kind of e-commerce situation where you want to maximize your ability to provide your customers or your clients or the end user with more value, guys. So we got to get on that. Number 8, game developers. Let's sit on this one for a little bit, because a lot of people tend to gravitate towards game development because, first of all, they like playing video games. Second of all, they like playing with the computer, so they say, let's put them together and really put myself in a position to be a game developer. Game development is not easy, guys. High level, real intense game development is very, very hard to do. I personally can't do it myself other than the back end stuff or the database level stuff, but a lot of people do a really good job developing games. But you can make a ton of money if you focus, you commit, you want to be the best game developer out there and really work for one of the bigger organizations and be on the top of the game. One thing about game development, guys, you have to understand that only a lot of the top tier game developers make a ton of money. There's a lot of them that don't, because they are in the mindset, I just want to play the game, consume the game, not necessarily produce, write code, be on the business side of the game development world, not just the consumer side, guys. So kind of keep that in mind. Don't get caught up into consuming the game, but necessarily producing, making money, monetizing that game. That's where the developers come in to be able to present an experience that's going to allow them to maximize their profits. Number 9, RPA developer. Robotic process automation, guys. This is something that been around for a while, not necessarily in the state that it is now. It got so advanced where it can do human-like automation. This is where you don't necessarily have those structured abilities or structured API, those structured databases, where you need that human-like visual type of capabilities to be able to carry out tasks. This is a great opportunity, guys. A lot of companies are jumping on this. This is really going to be where AI starts to evolve from just basic processes to machine learning to straight out AI. Is able to take unstructured data and structure it in a way that it can present it to computers. So being a RPA developer is really going to help you guys leverage that. Last but not least, and probably one of my favorites and kind of how I am now, is a full stack developer. Full stack developer is broad, and a lot of people take it out of context or go too wide, but a full stack developer is, hey, I give you a development project, you can take it from end to end. Yeah, you may have to go get help from other specialists or things like that, but you can understand the back end, the front end, the database, the platform, and you have a general understanding of all of them. Maybe just like me, I specialize in database development, but I'm still considered myself a full stack developer. This is the way that small companies and mid-sized companies really leverage their developers and be able to get ahead, because they can't be like Facebook and hire all these specialized developers. They need one developer to be able to help out with a lot of different things. And this is the best way you guys can get access or get the look and feel of each of the different layers of software development. So guys, if you agree with me, comment below. If you disagree with me, also comment below. Let's start a conversation. What type of development do you do? How much money do you make? And let's start a conversation and really kind of help you guys take things to the next level. And at the end of the day, guys, you have to find the job that leverages your skills the best. What skills you have, regardless of what type of developer you are, find a job that's going to position you to solve problems. The customer do not pay you to write code. They pay you to solve problems. So let's do that. Like, subscribe to the content. If you haven't already, sign up for the 7-step guide. This is going to really help you guys identify, first of all, which programming language you like to do, and really kind of put you in a position to win and get that high paying job or career that you guys want. So if you have additional questions, let's go ahead and start, pick up that 7-step guide. Let's start that process, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.